late today. Now, let's talk about the diamagnetic nature of water. Were you aware that strong magnets will repel water? Well, here's a little video about it. So if you float a test tube of water and you apply a strong magnet to it, folks, it will actually repel the water, as you can see in this demonstration. Now, we'll be talking about this more at a later time, but before we go into meteorology segments, I figured I would show that, as our viewers may not be aware of this. It does figure into things like the jet stream. And here is the jet stream of the Western world. And look at how chaotic it is around South America. This whole area here. That is barely a jet. That's not even a jet stream, folks. I mean, you could say this little section right here is, but besides that, not really a jet stream in the Southern Hemisphere. Extremely chaotic. And some very concentrated jet stream up here in the North Atlantic. How about the jet streams of the Eastern world? Well, here they are. And we still see some extreme bends there just east of Australia. Highly concentrated jet stream in the Western Pacific, right around this area. Massive anticyclone here in the Pacific Ocean. And indeed, we do see high pressure there, I believe, if my memory serves. And to quote Einstein, never memorize something which you can look up. Don't forget to look up, folks. And if you are looking up, you may notice that there's almost no lightning happening 2 days in a row here. It's a global lightning map here, lightningmaps.org. It's in real time, and practically no lightning strikes. Remember, folks, an anomalously low reading on your graph may be even more important than an anomalously high reading on your graph. And indeed, there is not an anticyclone over the Western Pacific. It's actually over the Eastern Pacific here off the coast of California. You can see that powerful clockwise rotating high pressure zone under my pointer, as well as a strong double low there in the North Atlantic. Let's advance this till tomorrow. It's the GFS forecast for pressure. There's where we expect pressure, atmospheric pressure, barometric pressure, to be at 1 p.m. Eastern Time. It looks like we'll have clear skies tomorrow, as we have high pressure over the entire eastern portion of the country. And some warmer temperatures in Texas, thank goodness. Here's a satellite animation of the cloud layer. Lots and lots of low clouds here over the Western Atlantic as well as the Gulf of Mexico. South of Baja California, you can see low clouds down there as well. Here's the water vapor map, and back to the cloud layer, and back to the water vapor. Lots of moisture there over the northern Rockies. Here's a U.S. Doppler radar map, and we're still getting some snow showers across the Northeast. And some heavier snows in the northern Rockies there. Texas has solved most of its power outages. However, there is a need for things like plumbers and construction workers. If you're a contractor looking for work, maybe head to Texas. There are a lot of burst pipes. And thanks, Smash Team, for tuning in and promoting us instead of promoting fraud. Please don't forget to press like and subscribe and share with your friends and your foes, even your neutrals. Thanks to our new subscribers, our loyal subscribers, and thanks to people who don't like us. Here at the Smash News Network, there's a reason why we're the least busted name in news. It's because we don't have an agenda and we don't promote fraud.